Hi, I'm Maya Ayub, and I'm the president of Flight Club Aerospace, and I'm here to talk about the wing updates.
Hi, I'm Mark, and I've been helping test the gussets.
Hi, I'm Nicholas Key and I'm part of the Aerospace Club design team. Recently I've been specializing on working on gussets.
Hi, I'm Taryn, and I'm on marketing and general communications.
This month, we've been doing a lot of testing gussets, which has been one of my favorite things because it's something new using different tools, and that's something I really enjoy doing. So we've been testing the gussets with a winch inside a steel frame where we can attach the gusset to one side of the steel frame and with the winch pull the joint apart, and using that try to simulate the forces that would be acting on our plane in a practical situation instead of doing it through a computer simulation, so we could try to get more accurate results.
Where are we at?
We hit 200.
The results have indicated so far that we can use the gussets that we were planning to use, and we can even make them smaller.
For the future, I'm excited to cover our final wing and use the hot wire cutter again to cut the ailerons, as well as to cut the negatives for the wing so we can cover it in fiberglass.
Oh, that's so sick!
Talking about the final wing, through the testing we've done, we realized that we're going to reduce the rib spacing, which was about 2 feet before, just because we noticed that there's going to be less tension in the fiberglass at 2 feet. So reducing the rib spacing would help keep our wing stiff and the fiberglass between the ribs more taut.
Designing gussets has been pretty challenging because there are many different factors that can influence them. Throughout the entire designing process, we've had to make many changes to how we design them, like changing the amount of rivets per gusset from 3 to 2, or roughly halving the width of the entire gusset. This is why it's especially important to test these gussets in person. Although mathematically they can look alright, it's really important to check that the actual physical product doesn't have any mistakes and that there wasn't anything wrong in the simulation. I'm looking forward to seeing how the gussets will look in person and how we will end up making them during fabrication.
This March we've created all the ribs that we need for the final wing, so that's been 12 in total. We've also created the ailerons and covered those as well. Things we've done differently since last wing was increase the number of ribs per wing, and that's going to help us a lot with the tension of the fabric over the wing. We also started to use cotton flock instead of microglass bubbles because it makes a stronger mixture with the epoxy, which keeps the fiberglass onto the ribs better as well.
This month we also tested the spar with the correct angle of the strut, so it's going to be more accurate to real flight.
Something I'm excited for in the future is just seeing everything to come together and meeting more people on the team. Fabrication has been a really great time for me to meet so many new people and actually see people's faces and talk to them, which has been really nice, and I'm excited to meet more people in the future.